Welcome to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Although we're most known for our classic and vintage car interiors, we've also seen an increased demand from owners looking to have their new or nearly new cars retrimmed through us. Sometimes that's down to a lack of bespoke options or unique options that the manufacturers are currently offering. Sometimes it's just because they cannot get the colours they want in the car they want. So we've seen a huge demand for people that would like to bring their modern cars to us and have them retrimmed, or in some cases a complete unique interior bespokely made for them. Although I can't show you what's under the cover today, we thought it'd be a great opportunity to let everybody know that we can now offer these services for modern cars. The team here have spent a huge amount of time researching and developing the correct adhesives, foams and techniques and processes needed to reupholster these modern cars that were never designed to be reupholstered when they were designed. It's been hugely helped by one of our staff members, Barry, who was head of bespoke and interior development at Rolls-Royce. So he's brought a huge amount of knowledge to the table on how we can reverse engineer retrimming these modern cars. So if you've got a modern car that you would like to bring to us and discuss either a straightforward colour and materials change through to a full bespoke interior, please get in touch and we'd love to have a conversation with you about it. If you've got any comments or questions, drop them below and we look forward to bringing you some more content soon.